Hello my dear learners. Today I am going to tell you one very important as well as very easy method, those who are beginners and those who have started learning this language. So what I want to tell you is whenever you are trying to speak this language, just first thing that you must not have the fear of making mistakes. सबसे पहली बात कि आप गलती करने का जो आपके अंदर डर है, सबसे पहले आप उससे अपने आप को दूर कर लीजिए. बिकॉज मिस्टेक्स आर द माइलस्टोन्स ऑफ योर जर्नी. ये आपको बताएंगे कि आप कहाँ आप अटके थे, कहाँ आपको ऑब्स्टिकल आया था और फिर आपने उसको कैसे ओवरकम किया था. एंड व्हेन यू विल वॉच your speech after some days, after correcting that mistake, you will find that you are speaking awesome. So don't fear about the mistakes. पहली बात. दूसरी बात, daily make the baby steps, because the journey of 1,000 miles also starts from a single step. So consistency is very much necessary in this journey of speaking English. Consistent रहिए आप daily, at least for the 7 minutes, or if not 7, at least for 5 minutes. Give it to yourself and just start speaking. Don't translate in your mind. Keep this thing in mind that never translate. Whatever comes to your mind, just speak. Think and speak. Think and speak. Don't translate, because translation always hampers your speed. So ट्रांसलेशन बंद कर दीजिए. जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है, जो भी आइडियाज़ आते हैं, आपको उन्हें तुरंत उनको बोलना है, स्पीक करना है. राइट नाउ इफ़ यू विल प्रैक्टिस. नाउ सम स्टूडेंट्स आस्क दैट व्हाट शुड वी प्रैक्टिस while speaking, how should we practice our speaking skill. So I will tell you one thing. Just give at least 10 words to yourself, okay, and just give 1 second. As soon as you tell that word to yourself, just make the sentence out of it, whatever the sentence is. Even if it is grammatically incorrect, don't worry, just speak it out. Like, beautiful, her eyes was very beautiful. Picture, this picture is very natural. Garden, there are many trees in the garden. Flower, I love to see rose flower in my house. In this way, speak as quick as possible. This is one method. Next one is, give 3 or 4 words, and with the help of those 4 words, just make one paragraph. And ये एक्टिविटी आप कुछ समय बाद कर सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई गिव यू 3 words like boy, wolf and sheeps. So how can you create a story out of these 3 words? Just make a story and then tell me in the comment. If you get success in making story out of these 3 words, you can give other 3 words also, not only these 3 words, and you can make some different types of stories. Just give one sentence and keep on adding some more sentences to that sentence, so that it will become a paragraph. ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. एक sentence लीजिए, जैसे I want to become, या I went to a garden, on that day I saw, and just leave it, and then think for a while and just make some sentences and keep on adding them, and in this way you will try, you can make a paragraph out of it. So देखिए आपकी आइडियाज़ जो आपकी ब्रेन में आ रहे हैं, उनको आप कितनी जल्दी इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. तो ट्रांसलेशन की प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दीजिए. इफ़ यू विल keep the practice of translating, then you will never learn this language. Fluency will not be there. ठीक है? Thank you.